Why gratitude make me rich? Welcome to today's video, where we dive into an ancient yet life-transforming concept, gratitude. We often think of wealth in terms of dollars, possessions, or achievements. But what if I told you that gratitude, a simple, accessible practice, could be the key to unlocking true richness in your life? In this video, I'll explain how gratitude goes far beyond an emotional response. It's a mindset and a lifestyle that affects not only your happiness, but also your financial success, relationships, and overall well-being. Let's explore together how gratitude can make you truly rich, not just in money, but in every aspect of life. Gratitude isn't just saying thank you or being polite when someone opens a door for you. It's a mindset of appreciating what you already have and acknowledging the abundance you experience every day. While it may sound simple, practicing gratitude fundamentally changes the way your brain operates. By focusing on what's already good in your life, you rewire your mind to notice abundance rather than scarcity. Instead of obsessing over what you lack, your perspective shifts to one of fulfillment and contentment. Gratitude acts as a lens through which the world appears brighter and more generous, even if your circumstances remain the same. When you make gratitude a habit, it underpins how you approach life, your choices, interactions, and aspirations. And as you'll see throughout this video, that mindset unlocks abundance in ways you might not expect. Let's start with emotional wealth. This is the richness you feel when your life is grounded in happiness, peace, and fulfillment, not external possessions like cars or luxury gadgets. Gratitude creates emotional wealth by keeping you present. When you're thankful for what you have today, a roof over your head, meaningful relationships, or even a cup of coffee, you free yourself from chasing what's next. It keeps you grounded in the present moment. A fascinating thing about gratitude is that it helps you celebrate small wins. Did you have a productive day? Thank yourself for putting in the effort. Did a friend check in on you? Appreciate their care. These seemingly minor moments add up to a sense of everyday joy that builds emotional richness. Gratitude also makes you resilient. When life throws challenges your way, the ability to focus on the good things, however small, keeps you grounded. It's like a shield that protects your mental well-being, making it easier to bounce back from difficulties. The result? You're not just surviving, you're thriving emotionally, even in tough times. Now, let's talk about the part most people are curious about. Can gratitude really impact your financial success? The answer is yes, and here's how. When you approach life with a mindset of gratitude, you stop obsessing over what you don't have and start focusing on the opportunities in front of you. This shift makes you more productive and creative, two qualities that are essential for financial growth. Gratitude enhances clarity. Instead of making impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed, you learn to appreciate and manage the resources you already have. It helps you spot opportunities you might otherwise overlook. For example, people who are grateful show more discipline in financial planning because they focus on abundance rather than scarcity. They're not running on the hamster wheel of more. Instead, they operate from a place of conscious preparation and thoughtful investment. And here's something fascinating. A grateful person tends to build better relationships, which are crucial for professional growth. Employers, colleagues, and clients are naturally drawn to a thankful attitude. When you create goodwill, opportunities start coming to you. Gratitude turns you into a magnet for success. Speaking of relationships, gratitude has a transformative effect on how you connect with others. Relationships, whether personal or professional, are one of the most significant factors in determining your happiness in life. And gratitude makes those relationships stronger. When you express gratitude openly, people feel valued and appreciated. Whether it's thanking a loved one for their support or appreciating a colleague's effort at work, gratitude builds trust and deepens connections. Relationships thrive when rooted in mutual respect, and gratitude ensures you're watering those roots every day. There's also the element of reciprocity. When people see you as a grateful person, they're more likely to go out of their way to help and support you. Gratitude doesn't just foster connections, it sustains them and makes them more meaningful. In professional contexts, gratitude is a game changer. It softens interactions, builds rapport, and creates goodwill that can lead to mentorships, partnerships, or unexpected opportunities. In short, gratitude is one of the most powerful networking tools you can use. Now let's shift gears and consider the idea of spiritual richness, finding meaning and purpose in life beyond material successes. Gratitude is a profound gateway to deeper spiritual fulfillment. When you're truly grateful, you align yourself with what matters most: your values, purpose, and the connections you share with others. You stop chasing meaningless goals and focus on building a legacy of kindness, contribution, and love. Gratitude also inspires giving. The more thankful you are for what you have, the more inclined you are to share that abundance with others. Whether it's donating your time, resources, or expertise, acts of giving create an even richer life for you and those you help. Ultimately, gratitude is a spiritual practice. It grounds you in the belief that life is abundant, beautiful, and meaningful, right now, exactly as it is. The mental health benefits of gratitude are backed by science. Research consistently shows that practicing gratitude reduces anxiety, combats depression, and increases overall life satisfaction. One powerful way to integrate gratitude into your life is through journaling. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Over time, this simple exercise trains your brain to focus on the positive and builds resilience in the face of challenges. Gratitude has also been found to improve sleep quality and boost physical health. Whether it's lowered stress levels or enhanced energy, your mental and physical well-being are interconnected. Gratitude plays a central role in keeping you balanced and thriving. So how can you build gratitude into your daily life? Here are a few practical strategies. Daily gratitude journaling. Write 3 things you're thankful for every day. It could be as simple as the weather or as big as a major work achievement. Mindful gratitude practices. Take a few moments during routine tasks like brushing your teeth or taking a walk to reflect on things you're grateful for. Express gratitude to others. Say thank you, write heartfelt notes, or simply acknowledge someone's effort. Expressing gratitude strengthens bonds and creates ripples of positivity. Gratitude during challenges. When things don't go your way, consciously identify 1 or 2 things you can still be grateful for in that situation. It shifts your perspective even in tough times. Gratitude is a practice, not a destination. The more you incorporate it into your life, the richer your experiences become. So what does it really mean to be rich? It's not just a matter of dollars or fleeting achievements. True wealth lies in the way you perceive your life, the connections you nurture, and the peace you cultivate within yourself. Gratitude is the key that unlocks this rich, abundant life. By shifting your focus to appreciation, you'll attract more opportunities, build stronger relationships, and experience a deeper sense of purpose and joy. Starting today, take one small step to practice gratitude. Whether it's journaling, meditating, or thanking someone important in your life, embrace gratitude as your greatest asset. Over time, you'll notice the transformation, financially, emotionally, and spiritually. Thank you for watching, and here's to unlocking the true wealth of gratitude in your life. Subscribe, comment below something you are grateful for. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.